The police in St. James have launched a probe into a shooting in Roehampton district in the parish that has left one man dead and another man injured. The deceased have been identified so far only as Pressa. The shooting happened sometime after 2 p.m. on Tuesday. According to the police reports, both men were among a group of persons at a shop in Roehampton when armed men traveling on board a motorcar opened gunfire, hitting them. The police were summoned, and on their arrival, the victims were rushed to a hospital. Pressa was pronounced dead and the other man treated and admitted in serious condition. No motive has been established surrounding the incident. A man has been charged with multiple firearm offenses after he reportedly shot at another man while he was at a home in Fraser's Content, Spanish Town in St. Catherine on Sunday, April 9. Charged with illegal possession of firearm and ammunition using an illegal weapon to commit a felony is 30-year-old Corey Parchment of Logwood Close in Fraser's Content, Spanish Town in St. Catherine. Reports from the Spanish Town police said that around 3:30 p.m. a man was at his home when Parchment opened gunfire at him. The man ran and hid to avoid injury while Parchment escaped in the area. Parchment was apprehended during a police operation in the parish and he was subsequently charged on Monday, May 29. A man was arrested in relation to the seizure of an illegal firearm and ammunition during an operation on Wallen Avenue, Old Brayton, Portmore in St. Catherine on Monday. Reports are that about 12:20 p.m. lawmen were in the area conducting searches. During the search, one Taros 9mm pistol with a magazine containing 10 9mm rounds of ammunition was found inside a house. A man who was occupying the premises was taken into custody in relation to this seizure. However, his identity is being withheld pending further investigation.